In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add HTML code to a Mailchimp email in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to customize your email campaigns with more complex HTML elements or just need to tweak the design, this simple guide will walk you through the process step by step. First things first, you'll want to log into your Mailchimp account. If you're not already familiar, Mailchimp is a platform that allows you to create email campaigns for your business or personal needs. Once you're logged in, navigate to the campaign section where you either have the option to create a new email campaign or edit an existing one. Next, you'll want to select the design email option. Here you'll be presented with different editors, but for our tutorial today, we'll focus on using the drag and drop editor. This is a beginner-friendly tool that allows you to easily customize your emails with various blocks like images, text, and more. But today our focus is on inserting custom HTML code. Now on the right sidebar you will notice a block labeled code. What you need to do is click and drag this code block into the body of your email where you'd like the HTML code to be inserted. The beauty of using the code block is that it allows you to input any HTML code you want, offering you the flexibility to insert anything from custom styles to specialized layouts or scripts that aren't available through the regular blocks. Once you've positioned the code block into your email, click on it to open up the editing window. Here you can go ahead and paste your HTML code directly into the designated area. Take a moment to ensure the code is correctly formatted and that you've included all necessary HTML tags. If you're not too familiar with HTML, it might be a good idea to have your code reviewed by someone with more experience to ensure everything is correct. After you've inserted and double checked your HTML code, it's time to save your changes. You can do this by clicking on the Save and Close button. This action will apply all the changes you've made to your email, integrating your custom HTML into the campaign design seamlessly, and that's it. With these easy steps, you can customize your Mailchimp emails to better fit your needs, whether that's adding complex elements or personal touches to make your emails truly stand out. We hope this tutorial has been clear and easy to follow. If you have any questions or need additional help, feel free to drop a comment or contact support. Happy designing!